Breaking news!
Paano nyo po ginasto itong 125 million pesos?
Si Colonel La Chica po. Binigay ko po sa kanya lahat. Nirelease ko sa kanya ang 125 million.
Kaka-encash nyo lang? May accomplishment report na agad kayo? Sino po ba ang magiging responsable?
Ako po.
Is because of the instruction of the Vice President. You can be held liable for
Yes po.
malversation of public funds. And do you believe that that is correct?
Insist on asking hypothetical questions.
Can I answer as head of the agency
With respect to the...
to the comment?
No, you are not allowed.
Sa Costa, ano po ba ang nararamdaman nyo?
Nanginginig po, ma'am.
Hindi naman po ako sumisigaw.
Kasi po, personal